Whoa, talk about a dirty engine. Yeah, needs to be cleaned. I've already cleaned off the radiator cover and this main cover. But today, I'm going to get in and clean the engine. Here it is. Yeah, that is it right there. Armor All tire foam. Supposed to be able to spray this on here, come away with clean engine, just blowing it off with your air compressor. Let's find out if it works. First job, shake it up. Shake it up, baby, now. All right, here we go. Supposed to be able to spray this on, and in 5 minutes, spray it again. Okay, 5 minutes passed. What do I notice? I noticed that on areas that were moderately dirty, just dusty, that they are clean. But what I am noticing is here on the top of the valve cover, and down here on the engine block where there's been a lot of oil, it's not even doing anything. So I'm going to try it again as described, and I'm going to concentrate on the areas that are really dirty. Well, if anything, my engine bay is going to smell good. Do I believe this is going to make my engine look like I want it? I really doubt it. Okay, friends. I've timed it, and it's sat for another 5 minutes, so a total of 10, with the Armor All foaming tire clean. What I'm supposed to be able to do now is I'm supposed to be able to take my air compressor. I'm going to take this and I'm supposed to be able to just spray it down, and it's clean. Here we go, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to show you up close. It just looks gross. I mean, there's just this slime all over everything now. It's everywhere. And, whew. I don't know that I would call it clean. Call it smelling fresh. Let's go back here and, I don't know. It's good if your engine bay was dusty, if it was just dirt, but it's not clean. And I'm gonna say fail. Now the question is what to do. Well, there's lots of debate about whether you should get your alternator wet. I've seen guys power wash their entire engine bay and not even care about getting their alternator wet. I've seen people cover it. I'm going to err on the side of cover it, even though I've sprayed my engine before, partially because I just don't want you guys to freak out on me. Now the second thing is I don't have a power washer and I don't have access to a hose right now. So I'm going to do the next best thing. This is the best little sprayer because you can totally control how much water and where it goes. I've got a big 5-gallon bucket. Take the lid off. Fill it. I'm just going to spray all that stuff. I'm going to try something that I think is going to be better. What I'm going to try is O'Reilly's Foamy Engine Degreaser and just see if that does the job. Here we go. This is not a full can, so I don't know if I'm going to get everything clean the way I would like. Okay, I'm a big believer that if you have a chemical that you're using and you expect that chemical to do everything that you want as far as cleaning, I think you'll be disappointed, because in order for the chemical to penetrate here, it has to get through every layer of that oil for it to break it down. It's going to soften it, but it's not going to make it go away. As a result, you're going to have to use something like this little metal brush, this nylon brush. So, see, like that, nothing has touched any of this so far. But this brush is just ripping through, and I think honestly that's the answer, is a combination of something chemical and something mechanical, meaning elbow grease. I really wanted this for the really sticky grease, the metal brush. Let's see if it'll go away now. See, even still, see how just it's so sticky. I'm going to use Armor All Protectant and see if I can make the plastic and the rubber look better than it does. You'll have to pardon my fan. It's hot as blazes out here today, so it's going to be a little bit noisy, but I'm going to be a whole lot happier. Everything's dry now, so you can see videos where people have left it wet and it looks super shiny because it's still wet. Once it dries, you're gonna get what you get, because it is gonna dry out and it's gonna look different. I just wanted to see that Armor All Protectant is absolutely awesome. I will definitely use that product again, because things that I wanted to look clean and shiny are looking clean and shiny. It took the dirt that was still on there. There's still places. This is not a perfect job. I mean, I can zero in right here, and you can just see I just didn't take the time to detail like ammo would do. That's not what I'm after. I just didn't want to open up the hood of my car and say, dang, it's so dirty. Right now, I'm happy. Why don't you, in the comments, tell me your favorite way to detail your engine or to clean your engine? What products do you use? What videos have you found? Leave them in the comments. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you get it done.